Tesla earnings crossing the wire right now. Let's get right to it, folks. 4Q adjusted EPS, $1.19. The street on average was looking for $1.12. That's the main headline crossing the wire right now on Tesla. Going to take a little bit of time, of course, to dig through some of these numbers, guys. As we know, this is always sort of a complicated report here, but at least looks like on the headline figure, adjusted EPS beating slightly by roughly about, looks about 7 cents a share here on the 4Q adjusted EPS.
And it looks like investors are still deciding how to feel away again as we await sort of the drip of information. We see that fourth quarter free cash flow was $1.42 billion. The estimate there was for $3.13 billion. So a bit of a miss there as we continue to watch these numbers roll in.
The big thing I'm really interested in seeing is just how much they were able to stoke demand by cutting prices. But more importantly, how much, if at all, that ate into profitability.
Yeah, and that was toward the end of the quarter. So, I'm more interested on the outlook, given that, Tesla has lowered prices across its lineup in different areas of the world. Shares down about 0.4%, 0.8%. The hard part about Tesla earnings, of course, is that the slide deck is 40 pages, and you have to go through that to get the numbers.
Well, some of the key numbers coming out. The great folks over at Bloomberg already got it down. The long-term 50% compound annual growth rate that Elon Musk has been talking about, they're sticking to it and expecting that they will remain ahead of that production target, 50% on that number, 1.8 million cars, Carol.